At this point, I need help. Thumbs up for me being all the way authentic, okay? Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and first off, Happy New Year. Depending on what year you're watching this, it's 2024, and I gotta do some different things with this scalp of mine. So if you've been wondering, you know, girl, what's been going on? Why haven't you done as many natural hair videos? What is going on with your scalp? Take this moment, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. What's been going on? Your girl has had non-stop problems with her scalp, but last 6 months have been outrageous. I mean outrageous. I'm not talking about just your regular, you know, dandruff. I've always been a dandruff sufferer pretty much my whole life, okay? And then when I started going through some hormonal issues, it got even drier. Now, some of y'all who have been here for a while know I had a hysterectomy. I had every single thing taken out except for my ovaries, okay? And you know, prior to me going into surgery, which has been almost 2 years ago now, oh my goodness, time fly. Anyway, my scalp was extremely dry then, and yeah, I was worried about it. So anyway, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go back to that video and you'll see how dry it was back then. You also have seen, if you follow me on TikTok, you know that I had a particular video that went pretty much viral. Just me trying to control my dandruff and show stuff that I was using. I was using the Royal Oils shampoo and conditioner from Head & Shoulders, which is wonderful. It really is wonderful, okay? I was even using apple cider vinegar and water. That's, you know, that's a nonstop thing. That has worked for me in the past wonderfully. I have used Selsun Blue, you know, that was helping too. But the real issue, the internal things going on has just, they went to war, okay? They went to war on my scalp. So we are not only losing more hair, and I'm talking about stress, anxiety, things on my edges and things like that. I lost even more. Not only that, but the dryness of my scalp is taking away my hair as well in my edges, but it has gotten to a case where it's not regular dandruff. I was thinking seborrheic dermatitis, but now I'm like, are we sliding into psoriasis territory? Only a dermatologist will know at this moment in time. So big thing about here before you start, you know, putting all kinds of stuff in the comments, yeah, doctor must be involved at this point, okay? Because I don't know, I got a lot of stuff going on internally. And that's what people forget. You got to check with your doctor. You got to see what's going on internally. You got to get your blood work. I did do a little shopping around on Amazon because I'm always going to try to see what works, you know. And I didn't really want to go too medicated with it, you know what I'm saying? But I saw this on Amazon and I'm like, you know, let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Okay, so let me go ahead and show y'all what it looks like first. Okay, so I was scrolling through Amazon and I found this shampoo plus conditioner. It's called DERMAREST Psoriasis. It has 3% salicylic acid and it's a psoriasis and seborrheic dermatitis shampoo. Now it says this is a maximum strength medicated shampoo plus conditioner, and it claims to remove and control scalp buildup and relieve scalp itch. It's made with green tea extract, kukui nut oil, and safflower extract. And it also says this is dermatologist tested and fragrance free. Really good to know. So it looks like they also have a maximum strength medicated gel. I don't have that, but who knows, I may get it later. Now this does say, it says for best results, use at least twice a week or as directed by doctor. Wet hair thoroughly, massage liberal amount of product into scalp, leave lather on for a few minutes, and then rinse thoroughly and repeat if needed. Okay, so taking a look at this, looks pretty clear. Looks like a gel to me. And I do like, you know, the top. I wish it would have been sealed underneath the top. That would have been nice, but I don't know. And so taking this out, yes, it does definitely looks like a gel. You know, it's not too thick and not too runny. Very soft on the hands. There's no lumps or bumps in it. It seems like it's going to have a decent amount of slip. I had no irritation to my hand, and there was no smell to this whatsoever. So far, so good. Okay, so now that you've seen that, I mean, it looks like a regular shampoo. It doesn't have any scent, which I love. It's not tingling on my hand. At this point, I don't care about tingling. Tingling is nice, but you know what? I need to get things under control. So this is the bottle here, and I'm gonna try this. I am gonna try this. I'm gonna try everything I can do. I like to try what I can do before I go into the doctor and be like, look, I've done this, before they send me to do something I've already done, okay? Try to do what you can. I like to break it down, be like, look, I've done this, and it's still not working. Now, what are we gonna do? Okay, so y'all wonder what's going on? Okay, can you see by my hairline already? Can you see the hairline? Yeah. And I wore black for a reason, because I'm about to show y'all something. Y'all gonna be like, what? Okay, I get it now. Yes. So this is why your girl has been wearing more protective style. She's brought her head wraps back. Yeah. This is why she's cut down on natural hairstyles, because what can you do with natural hairstyles when your scalp is looking like this? When this is what happens within just minutes after washing and conditioning and deep conditioning. What can you do? Y'all see what I'm talking about now? This is why I've started bringing other things into my channel, because look, well, number one, I like to do other stuff, but this all can be all about my natural hair when this is going on. Okay? But it's 2024. We got to keep it real. We got to show y'all what's really going on, you know, up underneath my head wrap or the wig I choose to wear, and why at this point I need help. So you see the shirt? I mean, enough said. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this. And yeah, I know if you don't like looking at flakes and all the other stuff, I should have told y'all in the beginning, trigger warning for those that can't stand it. But for those who deal with what's real and like people keeping all the way real in their videos, go ahead and subscribe and give this a thumbs up for me being all the way authentic. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna wet my hair. We're gonna see what it does, if it lathers up, you know, the regular wash day type things. If you've seen my reviews before, you know, just see what it does. And I'm gonna also tell you guys something else, what I did before I even started filming this. So I was on Instagram, I believe, and I saw someone basically getting scalp detox and you know, getting everything taken off of their scalp with one of these. And I'm like, I got to get that tool. I need to get everything off, because you know, if you suffer from dry scalp, you know, sometimes you can wash your hair and look so much better But if you're not getting everything off your scalp, it's just gonna be right back the second your scalp is dry again. So I got this in the package, and it came with this, and it came with, you know, these combs here. And I did go ahead, take this, wet my scalp first with water to soften up what was on the surface, and take this and go through here. And let me tell you, that is what got a lot off my scalp. But because I got something going on internally, within a few days, my hair was like, okay, yeah, you thought you was doing something, but hello, we're back. You thought we left, huh? Yeah. So anyway, this does help, but because I already have weak edges, it took out some of my hair too. And part of that also is because of whatever's going on, the psoriasis, the dermatitis, seborrheic dermatitis, and that's what I'm calling it at this point, because this ain't no dandruff. I don't care what nobody say, this is not dandruff at this point. It has created like a shield that doesn't want me to get to my scalp. So it's covering everything, my scalp, like almost like a scab. And I could scratch, scratch, scratch. And it's like, okay, where's my scalp at? And you get to my scalp, and now my scalp, it gets pink and inflamed. You can tell it's inflamed. There's no pus or anything like that. And like I said, I know any of you guys who are squeamish and stuff like that, I'm sorry, okay? I have to keep it real. And I'm not squeamish, so, okay. So anyway, yeah. It gets on there, and it gets on there thick. So I'm probably going to have to go back to this at some point, maybe not so much in the front, but I was trying the front because look, y'all, it's everywhere. My ears are not as bad. Yes, ears. Dryness in my ears, that's always been the case too, but it's gotten a little bit more. But this is like, y'all, all the way, entire scalp, to the point where I can't hide it, so I have to cover it up. Okay, I've even tried picking up some grease again, and that helped, you know, that helped disguise it for a few days. But I need to get this. I need to get this clean. This has to go. So we're gonna go ahead and try this. I'm gonna stop talking. I know I've been talking for a while, but I just need y'all to really see and understand me from what I'm talking about. And anyone who's new to my channel, I've been doing my hair my entire life. Other people's hair. Stopped doing other people's hair before for other reasons. You know, I know what to do with my edges, what not to do with my edges. Ain't nobody wearing no tight protective styles. I don't like nothing tight, period, because look, I would get a headache in a hot second of just thinking about it. You know, so all those things, washing your hair properly, and getting all the shampoo out properly before going into deep conditioning and all that other stuff. Yeah, that's all on my channel. Before you say anything in the comments, make sure you do your homework first, okay? I'm giving y'all a warning now. Because what we're not going to do in 2024 is jump in people's comments saying a whole lot of stuff, but ain't really done the homework. Or haven't even watched the whole video. Okay, so I'm going to get my spray bottle. And let's see what this does on my scalp initially. And then off camera, I'm going to wash my hair. One time to see what it's looking like, and then 2 times. I don't expect it to completely take everything away. At this point, I'm looking for something to control what's going on while I continue just to deal with, you know, whatever's going on internally with my body. And I may not be able to do anything because I'm at the age where anything could be going on. If you know, you know. Stay tuned for part 2. Talk to you later, roses. Bye.